Hello everyone, today we're doing 15 minus 9 with Marc here.
Thanks, Raha. And I hear you've got a great idea for solving this question. And I'm going to record your ideas while you share them with everybody. But first, why don't we show everybody where the 15 is? Where's 15?
15 is here. So 5 plus 5, everybody knows it's 10.
Okay.
And then I have 5 left. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so all here is 15. So what are you going to do? You got to subtract 9. What's your idea?
My idea is I want to make 10, so let's take away this 5.
Oh, okay, so you're going to split the 9 into 5.
And I want to split it into 5 and 4.
Oh, 5 and 4.
Then I have 6 left, so 15 minus 9 is 6.
Oh, okay. How did you know to subtract 4?
I wanted to put 9 here, so 9.
9.
I put 5,
Yeah.
4, 9, then 6 is left.
Then 6 is left. What do you know about 6 and 4?
6 and 4, 6 plus 4 equals 10.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So 15 minus 9 equals?
6.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at 15 minus 9 and we've got Miss Nikki here who's got a fantastic idea to solve this question. What do you think, Nikki? What are we going to do?
And go 9 plus 1 equals 15.
So 9 plus, you're going to change this to addition,
Yeah.
equals 15. Okay, you like adding. So what are we going to start with? Let's start with the 9. So I'll pull up. There's 9, right? 5 and 4.
Mm-hmm.
So then what are we going to do?
Now I want 10.
Oh, so what are you going to add to the 9?
1.
1. Okay, so there's the 1. Now what?
Now we want to make 15, so 10 plus 5 equals 15.
Oh, okay, so I'll bring up the 5,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
And there's the 15.
Yeah.
So then 9 plus what gives you 15?
6.
And 15 minus 9 equals?
6.
Nice idea.
Thanks.
All right.